What if 2025 could be the year you earn $5,000 in digital royalties or $1,500 a month from a niche blog, all while growing your influence alongside a community of high-achieving entrepreneurs? In this first part of our passive income series, I'm sharing the strategies that will not only elevate your financial game, but connect you with other elite business minds. Subscribe and hit the bell, because as part of this community, you'll get exclusive tips and insights to level up your business in 2025. If you're new here, I'm Claire. As we step into 2025, it's incredible to see how much the world of passive income is changing. What used to feel like a complicated and exclusive club now has room for everyone willing to learn and take action. Whether you're here to build extra income, reach financial independence, or just get your money working harder for you, I'm here to help you navigate the options. In today's video, we're talking about passive income, but not in some pie-in-the-sky way. These are real, actionable strategies that blend the best of time-tested methods with new, exciting opportunities. And honestly, many of these ideas are things I've tried myself or know people who've found success with. So grab a coffee or tea, I won't judge, and let's dive into ways you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future. 1. Dividend-paying stocks, the reliable friend of investors. Let's kick things off with a classic, dividend-paying stocks. Think of these as that dependable friend who always shows up for you. By investing in companies with a strong history of paying dividends, you're creating a steady income stream, typically paid quarterly, while your investment has the potential to grow over time. Personally, I love how dividends can build momentum through reinvestment. It's like planting a tree that not only grows taller, but gives you fruit every season. Plus, you don't need to start with huge amounts of money. Small, consistent investments can lead to significant results over time. For 2025, I'd recommend keeping an eye on sectors like renewable energy and technology, which are poised for growth. Companies in these areas are doing exciting things, and they could make a solid addition to your portfolio. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs real estate without the hassle. Let's be honest, owning property isn't for everyone. Managing tenants, dealing with maintenance, and staying on top of taxes can quickly become overwhelming. That's why I love REITs. They let you invest in real estate without the headaches. REITs pool money from investors to purchase income-generating properties like apartments, office buildings, or retail spaces. And here's the best part. By law, they're required to distribute a significant portion of their profits as dividends. In 2025, I'm particularly excited about REITs focused on emerging trends like co-living spaces, green buildings, and data centers. These align with how people are living and working today, making them a smart choice for passive income. 3. Affiliate marketing, turning your passion into income. Affiliate marketing has been a game changer for so many people, myself included. It's all about promoting products or services you love and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. In 2025, tools like AI-powered content creators can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence, you can automate a lot of the work, like creating content or analyzing trends. Here's the key. Focus on building trust with your audience. When people know you're recommending products you truly believe in, they're more likely to click that link. Over time, those clicks can turn into a steady stream of income. 4. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending, modernizing traditional lending. If you've ever wished you could be the bank, P2P lending is your chance. These platforms connect you with borrowers, allowing you to lend money in exchange for interest. While this does carry some risk, spreading your investment across multiple loans can help minimize potential losses. In 2025, many P2P platforms are incorporating AI technology to assess borrower creditworthiness more effectively, which can give you better peace of mind. 5. AI-powered content creation. The future is now. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are opening up amazing opportunities for creators. You can use them to generate blogs, videos, or even digital art and monetize that content through ads, sponsorships, or direct sales. For example, creating an AI-generated ebook or online course is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Once it's published, it keeps working for you while you focus on other things. This strategy is perfect for anyone who wants to scale their creativity into consistent revenue. 6. Green energy investments. Earning while supporting sustainability. If you care about the planet and your financial future, green energy investments might be your perfect match. Platforms now allow you to crowdfund renewable energy projects like solar farms or wind energy, earning steady returns while supporting sustainability. In 2025, I expect these investments to grow even more as governments and corporations prioritize renewable energy. And if you own land, leasing it to solar developers could be another way to create passive income. 7. Royalty income from intellectual property. Creativity that pays. Creating intellectual property like ebooks, music, or courses can pay off for years. And with tools like AI, it's easier than ever to get started. In 2025, you can automate much of the creation process, whether it's writing, editing, or even marketing. For example, an AI-generated online course on a topic you're passionate about could generate royalties long after it's created. Just make sure to protect your work legally, so you're compensated fairly. 8. Automated dropshipping. E-commerce made easy. Dropshipping is an amazing way to run an online store without holding inventory. The process is simple. Once someone places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. With AI tools, you can automate nearly everything, from sourcing products to running ads to handling customer service. For 2025, focus on trending niches like eco-friendly products or smart gadgets to stay competitive. 9. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Low-risk stability. Not every investment needs to be high-risk. High-yield savings accounts and CDs are great for those who prefer safety and stability. With interest rates expected to rise in 2025, these options are worth considering for consistent, low-risk income. 10. Index funds and ETFs. Effortless diversification. Index funds and ETFs offer an easy way to invest in a diverse range of assets, reducing risk while providing steady growth. These funds are perfect for hands-off investors looking for long-term gains through capital appreciation and dividends. Let's build your financial future. So, there you have it, 12 strategies to help you build passive income in 2025. The key to success is diversification. By blending traditional approaches like dividend stocks and REITs with innovative ideas like AI-powered tools and green energy investments, you can create a financial future that's both resilient and exciting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to my channel, Claire Herper, for more tips and insights. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep building your financial future.